30% of students get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths, and these are the things that sets them apart. Number one, start running marathons. Now, I actually mean this in the physical academic sense. You have 3 maths exams to sit. That's 4.5 hours of exam maths to do. That is so difficult, right? And it takes stamina from year 10 flowing through to year 11 that you've been pushing yourself to get it. I think one of the core things in this is believing you are tough enough to get through the actual exams. That sounds silly, but if you think about it, only 3 out of 100 of you will get that grade 9. Treat them accordingly. They're all worth equal marks, and treat them separately and treat it as a marathon. You have little gaps between the first paper and second paper as well, and the second and third paper. That's time to soak back in, get the energy back in, and push through to get the grade 9. But it's a marathon, and lock in for it. Number 2, no silly mistakes. The biggest issue and the biggest problem I see from someone getting like a grade 7 or a grade 8 to getting a grade 9 is there is no silly mistakes at the grade 9 level. I want you to get into like this 3-pass system, okay? First pass, when you get that exam paper, you glance through it. As you're going through the questions, you're circling like, oh, this is algebra, this is geometry, this is trigonometry. Turns your brain on, gets it ready to see the questions, and your brain starts to kick into gear. That's for the first 5 to 10 minutes of the exam. The second pass then is going through the actual exam questions. Now, what I would do is I just do the medium questions here. I wouldn't do any long questions. I would just leave them till the end, right? Your third pass then is going through the more difficult, 5 to 8 mark questions, garner as much easy marks as you can, and then you do the longer form stuff. Does that make sense? Little 3-pass system. And number 3, fluency. You see that last 6 weeks before your actual GCSE exam, so that April, kind of early May thing, you are just fluent. You're going through exams, you're on Saturday mornings, you're just sitting down for full hour-and-a-half exams. You're just running through it. You're picking back a year from what, even go back like 10 years if you have to. Whatever you have to do, pick something you haven't seen before, do different mock style papers, and just go through them. You've learned all the maths. You have all the content in your head, and you just got to put it onto the paper. You'll be burnt. You'll be thinking of maths constantly for 4.5 hours of actual intense exams. You have to get so fluent at this, so used to it. And that last 6 weeks before your GCSE exams, that's when you hammered out. And if you're on a grade 7 or grade 8, I'm telling you, that last 6 weeks, you can turn that from a grade 7 or grade 8 up to a grade 9 by getting fluent, by just doing exam after exam and getting so good at exams that when you get to that first exam, you nail it and you never look back. Follow me for more. I'm going to get you through your GCSEs.